Hello, it is Axel Tech here, and today I'll be doing a video about Discord.py async. So we're going to get right into it, and I'm just going to show you what I'm using. So here's everything you need to know. I'm using the code editor, Atom Code, and it looks something like this. You can actually, if I just make a new one real quick, and then you can have two things running. So you can have that. And you don't want to save that one. So that's what that does. And then I'm using Python version 3.6.6, which is on python.org. And then my Discord.py version is 0.16.0, which is not the latest version. So you're going to need to run that command in your command prompt. So you're going to run that, and it's going to take a minute, but it says I already have everything installed because I already do. So pause the video now if you need to install anything. If not, get right into it by going here and then saving it as mtbot.py or whatever you want to name it. You need the .py though. You can name whatever in the front, and I'm just going to replace that. So now that we're ready, you can see, type in it and everything's orange. So now we need to import Discord. And from Discord, we need to import commands. So now that we have imported commands, I like to, for neatness, you're gonna find out in about sometime soon what that does. So now we need to define what a bot is. So bot equal to discord.bot. And command underscore prefix equals. You can change that to whatever you want. I like exclamation mark for this one. Now, for the bot, you can do client, bot, whatever you want to name that. Just I'm using bot because it's faster to type for me. So now every time there's like a bot dot whatever, you will need to change that to client or whatnot. So now we're just gonna, I don't like the default help command, so we're just gonna remove it. So we're just gonna remove that by doing, so it's removed now. Now we need a basic thing. So now we need to make sure the bot's on. Bot.event. And then async def. And then on underscore ready. It's important that you have those parentheses in that. I don't even know what it is anymore. Not a semicolon, but asterisk, I think. Probably. I'm not sure. No, we need to print something in console, so we're just gonna say so you can see that's gonna be an issue. So I'm just gonna say, look, so now you have that, we just need a bot.run, and then so that was pretty easy. Now you need to go to Discord app, discordapp.com. And then we need to go to developers and then developer portal. And new application, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to do YT testbot create. So now if you have a logo like I already do, you just add it and save changes. Now it's done, you go to bot, make sure you add bot. And yes, you want to do it, copy the token, and then write it back over to here and paste it in. So now as you can see, we have that. So next step is we have a working bot, but it's not in my server yet. So if we look, as you can see, it's not in any of those. It's not any of those bots. So you need to do is you need to go back there. You need to go to OAuth 2 bot, copy that link, paste it up there. And then you want to go to test bot and authorize. And you see, it's authorized. If we go back, it's right there, and I'm just going to give it a role. My server. So now some information that you're not going to want to share. You never want to share this. I'm going to share it in each video, but it's going to be different. So by the time the video goes live, the token is different. So if you do try to type it out by hand, it's not going to do anything because I changed the token. So now now the bot can turn online, but it's not going to do anything. It's not going to turn online because something I did wrong. Fun and troubleshooting. Command underscore prefix. I'm trying to space everything out. Oh, I did this wrong. It's commands.bot. Don't make the mistake I did. Now the bot is going to boot up. So now it says, look, we're running. We go over here, and look, it's online. So now we want a command. So we're going to do that bot.command. And then we need to pass context. You always need to do this. You always need to pass your context. And now we do async def. We're just going to do a ping. I always like to do that. That's not necessary for some cases. And then wait bot.say pong. So now if we close that and reopen it, so now it says, and now if we do, I ran the wrong thing. So as you can see, it said pong. You can see it said pong, which is congratulations, you made a command. Now since we don't have a help command because we removed it, or if you didn't, you have a help command, I don't like it. So we're just gonna add another command. So pass context. And now we get async def and then help. In another video, I will do a whole video dedicated to making a complex help command. So now we want to do await bot.say and then help is under development. So now if we close this and then run it, now if we do help is under development, so you've made your first couple commands to your bot. Now that you have a slightly functioning bot, you can go through, add whatever commands you want. In future videos, we're gonna get more and more complex, like, which I can show you. So just here's some code for a different bot I have, and see, very complex based on the fact that it's 235 lines of code. So, yeah. This is all the code you need for the bot token. Is going to be custom to whatever you use. And yeah, that's it for today, or this episode at least. I will see you guys hopefully in the next one. Have a good whatever time zone you're in.